Easy, fast, and incredibly delicious! A simple chicken breast recipe. For this recipe, we're going to need 3 chicken breasts, cut into strips. Tell me which recipe with chicken breasts you've already made that your family loved. I'd love to know. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug is for June Davies from Telford, England. I'm happy to hear that you're loving our recipes. Put the chicken in a bowl. Add 60 milliliters of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of pepper sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, stir it, and set it aside to marinate. Take 2 potatoes and cut them like this. Make this recipe at home. It's incredibly delicious. I'm sure you and all your family will love it. Put the potatoes in a baking pan. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Season them with salt to taste, black pepper to taste, paprika to taste, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of oregano. Stir to combine. Tell me which recipe with chicken breasts you've already made that your family loved. I'd love to know. And bake them in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes to an hour. Meanwhile, chop 2 garlic cloves. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Melt it, add the garlic, and leave it for 1 minute. Then, put the chicken and fry for 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Finally, add chives to taste. I already took the potatoes out of the oven and just served them with the chicken. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.